and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the unboxing of the residential project Vadhva Vice City located in Panvel by Vadhva Group. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project, which is located right at Old Mumbai-Pune Highway. And to my right is the main entrance of our project. Now I will take you to the sales office of our project. So this is the sales office of our project that is within the township. And in this video, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location, connectivity, amenities, parking provision, master plan, carpet area, floor plan analysis, possession, maintenance, pros and cons, and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And this is the actual location of Vadhva Vice City. Talking about the project overview, Vadhva Vice City will be constructed on a land parcel of 203 acres consisting of apartments, bungalows and plotted clusters that will be developed phase-wise. Phase 1 having Tulip Towers and Phase 2 of Mongolia Bungalows. Already launched Tulip Towers that has 9 towers, and this is the actual location of Tulip Towers, having 9 towers with G plus 25-story residential floors having 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK apartments. Talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located off Mumbai-Pune Highway Road, Thombarwari bus stop. From here, South Mumbai is only 40 minutes via Trans Harbour Sea Link, that is Atal Setu. International Airport is only 20 minutes from the project, and Mohape Station on Panvel-Kasjat suburban line is only 1.5 kilometers from this project. Talking about the amenities, the internal amenities has vitrified tiles, granite kitchen platform with stainless steel sinks, CCTV and many more. About the external amenities, this project has 50 plus ultra luxurious amenities with world-class gym, indoor games court, squash court, indoor badminton court, 1.8 acres of clubhouse, 50,000 square feet of lush greenery, swimming pool and many more. Talking about the parking part, the project has ground plus 4 levels of podium car parking. Now let's talk about the master plan and carpet area. As you can see in the image, this is the master plan of Vadhva Vice City. Here you can see these are the 9 towers already ready to move in Tulip apartment. Talking about the carpet area, 1 BHK carpet area ranges from 390 to 435 square feet, 2 BHK carpet area ranging from 480 to 639 square feet and 3 BHK carpet area ranging from 800 to 900 usable square feet carpet area. Now let's have a look at the floor plan. As you can see, this is the typical floor plan of tower A1, A2, A3, A4 with each floor having 10 flats, 5 lifts and 2 staircases. This is the typical floor plan of tower D1, D3, D4 with each floor having 12 flats, 5 lifts and 2 staircases. This is the typical floor plan of tower F3, F4 with each floor having 8 flats, 6 lifts and 2 staircases. And this is the typical floor plan of tower C3, F2 with each floor having 8 flats, 3 lifts and 2 staircases. Let's now have a look at some of the unit plans. This is the unit plan of 1 BHK of 435 square feet. This is the unit plan of 2 BHK of 639 square feet, and this is the unit plan of 3 BHK of 900 square feet. Now let's talk about the maintenance part. The maintenance of the project varies with configuration, with 1 BHK maintenance ranging between 3,000 to 4,000 per month, 2 BHK maintenance ranging from 4,500 to 5,000 per month and 3 BHK maintenance ranging from 6,000 to 7,500 per month. Talking about the possession part, the project has ready to move in apartments, and for the pros and cons of the project, you can visit www.housey.com. So everyone, this was the unboxing video of the residential project Vadhva Vice City located in Panvel by Vadhva Group.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.